After playing 6 years of professional football, I'm gonna show you 3 workouts that you can include in your everyday routine.
Brought to you by Lean Body, the #1 protein shake in gyms across America.
Exercise number 1 we're gonna go over is a hang clean. I think the hang clean is very important for overall explosiveness. We're gonna start with a shoulder shrug, graduating to a high pull, and eventually doing a front squat to bring it all together. As far as the shoulder shrugs for the beginning portion, you wanna have active legs, activate your lats. You want a big pull just to get some momentum under the weight. You don't want it to feel like a shoulder lift. For the high pull, this is where you want to really bring it all together, use your force to be able to get underneath the weight. A simpler version of a hang clean will be a 2-step exercise. We can break it down into a high pull and into a front squat. Until you guys are able to string these movements together, I would recommend doing these 2 steps. If you have any problems performing a regular front squat, there are different variations. Feel free to cross your arms, go cross body, still keeping the elbows high, and perform the squat that way. The second exercise that was pivotal in my development is a multi-grip bar press. This movement was good for my overall upper body explosion. For this exercise, I made sure to stick with high reps opposed to a higher weight. I will go for about 15 reps using around 135 pounds. It would be important to keep your elbows tucked, your lats engaged, and really push through your heels on this one. If your gym does not have a multi-grip bar, a simplified version of this exercise would be a dumbbell bench press, still keeping the elbows tucked, still keeping the heels through the ground. The last and final exercise I feel really helped with my overall upper body strength and development is a landmine press. I do a standing landmine press, so I let my legs get involved a little bit and I load it up a little bit more. Sometimes I throw a band in there, like put the band around my feet, and honestly, that's probably why I stand up, because most times I have the band around my feet, around the bar, and then I'm here pressing. Just so I can feel like more resistance at the top. So at the top, it's all the way stretched. And then it forces you to be cautious on the way down, forces you to embrace it on the way down, because the band is pulling back at you and you don't wanna, you know what I mean?